This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. Welcome back to I Bought Some Shit. Let's unbox it. Miniso edition, because your girl was at the mall and I haven't been in Miniso in a minute. I haven't been in Miniso since we've moved. And I was like, you know, I need to go see if they have anything in there. And they had so much shit. They had so much stuff. So I got very excited and I bought a bunch of stuff and I cannot wait to open it. So I'm excited. Okay. So I got a couple of different boxes of goodies. We have this one, Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty and friends. We got those. I'm sorry, my brain is like, we're not here today. We have Pixel Universe Farmer Bob, because we love Farmer Bob. We love Farmer Bob. So I got two of those. I got this one, Yumo, My Day. He kind of reminds me of like Demu in a weird way. Demu and some other characters I can't think of. Anyway, he was really cute and the box is super heavy and I was like, ooh, I feel like I'm getting my money's worth. Then we have my boy Pom Pom Purin with his little butthole. It's called Pom Pom Purin Amusement Park. Got two more Tato fruits because while I do have the peach and the cherries. Oh my God, do I have another one? I gotta go check. I think it's just those two. Let's hope I don't get a dupe. And then I saw this and I thought this was really fun. Miffy goes pastel. Ew, pastel. Miffy goes pastel. Miffy goes pastel. Miffy goes pastel. How do you say it? Pastel. No, oh my God. Pastel. Why does that sound weird? Oh my God, what the fuck? Come on, bro. Pastel. Pastel. Oh my God, stop. Oh no, hold on. Pastel. I like pastel. Well, pastel. I got this. All right, hold on a second. I need to go verify who I have for the Tato ones because now I'm paranoid, but I'm pretty sure it's just the peach and the cherries. But let me go check. Hold please. I am confirming. Cherries, watermelon. All right, so you know what? Let's just open up these first. Here's the Tato here on the side. These are all our little options. I really don't want a duplicate. And I'm gonna open up the lighter one first because this one is heavy and it better not be that goddamn peach. I'm kind of hoping it's watermelon or strawberry or avocado or banana. I'm happy with any of them, so let's see. Okay. Do I feel lucky? I think this one's going to be watermelon. Bitch! Ah! All right, first of all, not watermelon, but it's banana. He's so fucking cute. Look at that little ass. I can't. Look at him. Oh, he's so cute. Look at Illuminati hands. Oh, I love him. Okay, so that is, okay. Oh, I feel like this is gonna be the peach. God damn it. All right, so I'm gonna say this is positivity. This is watermelon. You bitch. I knew this was gonna happen. Aaron, do you want this? I'm just gonna give it to you. I'm just gonna put it in the box and send it to you. I don't care. Oh, I knew it. Okay, so you know what? Oh, sorry, my highlighter got on it. You had a little house labs on you, Betty. All right. Who cares? We got him though, and he's all that matters. All right. All right, that was good. Pissed. But it's okay though, it's all good. You know what, let's go with Miffy, pastel, because I can't say it. I'm afraid I'm going to forget it. So here are all the options. I kind of want yellow. I want yellow, but I'm okay with green. No, okay, let me take that back. I want yellow or green. I'm okay with orange. Everything else is fine, but those are the three that I would like. So I feel like this one's going to be green. I was like, what color is this? What pastel bullshit is that? Miffy's purple, but I'll be honest, Miffy also looks white. So, I mean, this could be a little bit more pastel or pastel, whatever you find funnier. Yeah, man, like it's all right. Like I think Miffy overall is super cute. I'll probably have Miffy back there because I have like the giant Miffy makeup bag behind me. You don't see it, but it's above me. So I'll probably have this babe sitting right next to it. But yeah, I was kind of hoping that this would be, even on the box, it looks brighter. Like, what the fuck? I got Okay. All right, Miffy. Okay, Miffy. All right, not happy about that one, but we're not gonna let that up my day. So let's move on to, I can't, I need to, I should have got more of these. What is wrong with me? Here are all the little options. Pop it up over here. Obviously, I want park photography. I want park photography because I have multiple useless degrees in photography. And I feel like in ways, having this figure would make all the student loan debt seem manageable. So I'm kind of into that. Although I do love the pudding rush chair because, bitch, it says pudding. Exclusive parfait cup, yes. Obviously I want the secret. Teacup, right? All of them are super cute. Bumper card. Pirate ship is probably my least favorite watch. That's the one that I get because that's my luck today. But I really want park photography or pudding rush chair. So let's see what I get. Oh, it's a teacup ride. Bitch, I should have got another one. Oh, this is so cute. Ah! Ah! Oh my God, that's so cute. Wait, hold on. Bitch, that is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. I'm so mad at myself for not getting another one of these. Man, okay, so anyway, here's the card. I'm so pissed at myself. Oh, I didn't think this was gonna be so cute. I mean, I knew it was gonna be cute, but I didn't think it was gonna be this cute. Ah, I'm so mad. Okay. All right, I should have got another one. I f***ed up. Bro, that's so good though. That teacup ride. Can I tell you, I want to bawl. I want to bawl hysterically because that is the cutest fucking thing I've ever seen. Pom Pom Purin also, is there, oh, there's a butthole! There's a butthole in the back. There's a butthole in the back. Love me a good butthole. Who doesn't love a good butthole? All right, so let's do this one because this is a single boy. He's super cute. This is Yumo or Yumo. I'm assuming it's Yumo, but it could be Yumo. My day. I love all of them. I think I would like, I like Can You Hear Me? I like that one because I feel like I'm partially deaf, so that makes sense. I also love morning because I am an early riser, whether I want it or not, I am. And I kind of love After Rain is so cute, Night Night is so cute, Starry Night. Honestly, they're all really cute. So kind of pissed that I didn't get two of them because they feel really heavy and I love that. So anyway, let's see what I got. Oh, you are so pretty. Okay, so you are, oh, After Rain. Oh, I love this. Oh, that is gorgeous. Oh, I really am so sad that today is like the day that I'm sad that I got like one of something. I should have got two of something. Probably should have walked away from two of the potato fruits. Could have saved myself some drama. Could have stayed away from Miffy because that is not pastel in my eyes, or pastel. But this one, that's so pretty. This is so heavy. I love when figures are heavy because two very fun reasons. One, it feels like I got my money's worth, but two, I can hurt somebody with it and it could be a fun murder weapon. Just saying. So I love this. This is so cute. Oh God, I don't know where you're gonna go. I have no idea where you're gonna go, but we're gonna find you a place, buddy. Oh, all right, you stay there, sister. Okay, I love this. I'm very happy. And again, here's a card. I don't remember if I showed it or not. There you go. I'm happy. Okay, so these Farmer Bobs, I feel like I overpaid. These are $25 a piece. Also, this little hunk of chunka, he was 25. Don't know the prices. Oh, and I think Pom Pom Purin was 25. Miniso, I don't remember the prices being that like high. Like Pop Mart's better. And who would have ever thought I would ever say that? But yeah. Anyway, so I feel like I could have gotten these cheaper if I went to like Strange Cat Toys or something like that. But I was actually very, very excited to see Farmer Bob because I feel like this is one that I don't really get to see out in the wild. So it is what it is. Okay. So this one, there is, holy shit. There are so many variations. So I'm going to put them on the screen, but it looks like there's 26 variants, right? There are 26 different. God damn. Okay, so let's hope that it's something good. I think I kind of love Broken Black Hole. That one's pretty fucking sweet. Made by Rainbow is awesome. Boom Bob. Highlight Moment. Actually, I really like Highlight Moment because I love highlighter. I do. Meeting Ghost. Oh, Meeting Ghost is also really good too. Error Bob. Ooh, I love Error Bob actually. You know, I'm happy with any of them. I also really like how the pixel ones look. They look kind of sick. So I just hope that I don't have a dupe. Fingers crossed. So I think this one, I'm going to shoot my shot. I'm going to say this one is, I feel like this one has like an extra piece to it. So it might be Peace and Love. It could also be Rain Code. A Raining Code. Could be that. Or it could be Boom Bob. I'm going to say it's one of those. Or maybe it's Meeting Ghost. I'm going to say it's Meeting Ghost. Let's see if I'm remotely right. What the f? That is so cool. Okay, wait a second. This is called Live with Forest. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's right. So these things I think are what? I think someone mentioned that they're like little weights or whatever, so it just tricks you. Yo, that's sick. And I feel like my friend Hannah is gonna love this because it looks like little Legos. Hannah, you need this. Oh, you need this, Hannah. Oh my God, that's so good. That's so good. It wasn't one that I was pulling for, but I'm so glad that I got it though. Shit. Okay. Oh, I love that. Fuck. I hate that it's so expensive. I gotta find them online. I ain't trying to pay markup. Well, every once in a while it's fine, but not doing this all the time. I'm not made of money. Totally forgot about these little stupid ass little stand weight things. I want this. Oh man. I really, 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 really want highlight. I want highlight or I want black hole. I think I'd be happy with those. Or error one or Meeting Ghost. I want one of those. You know, I didn't get a duplicate and that's all that matters. Who are you, bud? Oh, you're Desert Oasis? I feel like Michelle needs this because she lives in the desert. Oh, that's sick. Okay, hold on. Oh, these are so good. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm really kind of annoyed that I paid $25 for them because, you know what? Hold, please. Hold. I want to see something. I'm going to look at Strange Cat Toys because I feel like they're the only ones that actually like straight up doesn't overcharge people. Let me see something here. Okay, I don't think they have it. So wait, where can I find him? Okay, so they have it at Kika Goods. Yeah, dude, 16. Oh wait, they only have a couple of them. Oh, but $16 though. Yeah, I definitely paid markup. Ah, shittagles. All right, I gotta go find him. Okay, I found one, $18.99. Okay. Damn, yeah, I mean, I paid a premium. You Miniso, but these are awesome though. They weren't the ones that I wanted, but I'm okay with them because they are so cool looking. I love that. And I kind of like that I got two like little environmental ones. I have like a forest and a little oasis one. That's super cute. I really, really need to get the Meeting Ghost one because I think that one sounds so hilarious and it feels very apropos to my job. So we're going to try to shoot for that one next time. But I love me Farmer Bob. He's fun. He's really fun. Okay, so I'm a little nervous about these. I got two of them. I almost got three. But I didn't though. Because you know my luck. You know my luck when it comes to Hello Kitty. Because it's always fucking Melody and Karami or Cinnamoroll. And it's never my boy, Pom Pom Purin or even Pachaco. But I decided to get two of them. Throw caution to the wind. In hopes to bring my boy Pom Pom home. Okay? I'm trying 2 times. If I cannot find it, I don't know if I'm going to be able to go back and do this again. Because it's just such a pain in my dick. You know what I mean? Like, ugh, I hate it. But these are little Vital Plush guys. I don't know how much I spent. It's probably 25, if not 30, because again, Miniso is just being a little bitch out in these streets, okay? But I'm honestly okay with any of the options. And I made peace with that when I was in Miniso. I looked at them and I was like, you know what? They're all pretty cute. So I think I might retain them. Famous last words, but let's see. So I really, really, really want Pom Pom Purin and Pachaco. Or actually even Cinnamoroll. Cinnamoroll is actually kind of cute. So I'd be okay with Cinnamoroll, but I really want Pom Pom Purin. They're hard to tell. I don't know if one is supposed to be really heavy or light. I can't tell. So I'm going to say that this one kind of feels a fat box. I'm going to say this is Pom Pom Purin. Every time. Come on, bitch. She's cute though. She's cute, but every time. If there are 2 of them in here, I will, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm literally just ripping it in half. We're starting over, okay? She's cute, okay? She's cute. I don't listen. Karami is fine. She's fine. And I feel there's so many of you that are like, I knew I hated you. And I'm like, I know. But no, seriously, like she's fine. She's super cute. But like, dude. When you show me Pom Pom Purin and that's, ooh. Oh, do these smell? Are these like scented? Oh, they're scented. They smell like, are they supposed to be scented? I mean, it's not bad. It smells like candy. No, it smells like candy. Okay. It smells like candy. Listen, I just want Pom Pom Purin, okay? That's all I want. All right. Come on. Pom Pom Purin, let's go. I'm happy, but what we're not gonna do here is fucking trick me in thinking that this is a yellow little handsome gentleman, and instead we get a little yellow Hello Kitty. Oh, but she is, can I tell you, she kind of looks like the Twinkle Twinkle, this little guy in the Have a Good Run series. It kind of looks like very similar. And that's so cute. Like they're like little cousins and I love that. I love this one. This one I could with, I can get behind. I love you. This one is cute too, but I think I'm just gonna pawn this off on Erin. Erin, you're lucky that you love Karami, okay? And if you don't want it, I don't care. I'm sending it to your house anyway. So let me show you. This one has a card. This one also. I don't know. Now I feel like I'm gaslighting myself. I can't tell if it smells right. Anyway, this is the card. Hold on. I'm going to call Alex in here.
Yes.
Hi, can you come in here and smell something?
Oh.
Thank you. Love you. Bye.
Okay, hold on.
Love you. Bye. We went to IKEA today. And hence we were by the mall. And I was like, let me go in there and moo shrew. And that's why we came home with this stuff. But I want to make sure I'm not crazy because I feel like these smell like a sweet candy. Of course.
Of course, yeah. I could tell when you were yelling. They do smell sweet.
They smell like candy, but not like gross though, because you're not coughing.
It's actually very light.
Okay.
For a change.
Okay.
So.
I'm into it. Look how cool these look.
Oh, those are fun.
Farmer Bob. And I was like, Hannah needs this.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Told you, Hannah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Also, look at this. Would you think that that's pastel?
It's pretty dim.
What color is that?
Purple mixed with a lot of white.
Yeah, it's purple, apparently. What the fuck? I know.
I don't know.
Thank you. Love you, bye. Okay, so yeah, there you have it. That was today's haul at Miniso. I need more of these. I need more of these. I need more of these. Miffy, shut up. I think I'm gonna retire this series. I really want the avocado and the watermelon, but the rate that I get the peach, we're not doing that. So we're gonna do that. And I think that's it. That's it, babe. That's all I got. And I think I'm gonna be a dickhead and go find Pom Pom Purin online because I don't know if I could I don't know if I could do this again. Get the heartbreak again. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna find it that way. I know it takes the fun out of it and you like to see me scream, but sometimes I just wanna win. Sometimes I wanna win, baby. All right, anyway, that's all I got for you today. Now I wanna hear from y'all. Let me know down below. Have you gone to Miniso lately and what have you been getting? Let me know because I love hearing from you. And of course, I wanna say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces and I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.